This is one of the more awaited cases as far as the understanding of IBC law is concerned. Do remember, this is one case that has proved to be a test for the implementation of IBC norms on all counts. It has been a case of twists and turns right from the beginning, with all parties involved. That is Binani Industries, Dalmia, Ultratech and also the resolution professional approaching court with petitions and lawsuits. It's been one case that's been mired in litigations. Today's order will bring about much needed clarity in the matter and also set a benchmark as far as future similar cases are concerned. To give you a brief background, to remember that Binani Cement has been on the block after Bank of Baroda had moved insolvency petition against the company. This was way back last year in August. After that, of course, we do know that there were a slew of suitors queued up to buy this asset, but there were two players, that is Ultratech Cement and Dalmia Bharat, that were neck to neck in terms of bidding for this asset. However, the Committee of Creditors had selected Dalmia Bharat as the highest bidder, which was refuted by Binani Industries and also Ultratech, that claimed to have submitted a revised bid for the asset, which was not considered by the COC. Litigations followed, but to cut the big story short, the end of the matter was that NCLAT had allowed the Committee of Creditors and Binani Industries to consider an out-of-court settlement. However, the Committee of Creditors had made it amply clear that they would not take a call in this matter and would require the Supreme Court's approval to go ahead with the proposal of Binani Industries going ahead with a side deal with Ultratech Cement for about 7,300 odd crore rupees for about 98% stake sale in the cement arm of the business. Now, this is the main contention. Will the Committee of Creditors be asked to go in with the original bid submitted by Dalmia Bharat, or will the revised bid submitted by Ultratech Cement be considered? Today's NCLT order will clarify on that, and it will be clear if a revised bid can be considered by the Committee of Creditors going forward.